Hey guys, I found this amazing GitHub repo called, here you can see Embedded Systems Engineering Roadmap. And it gives a curated list of resources for everyone who are interested in embedded systems. In this repo, if you scroll down, you will get all the resources and roadmap. Let's scroll down. Here you can find the roadmap. In this roadmap, you will find all the details. What all electronics topics you need to study, which all communication protocols you need to focus, which all operating systems you need to study, and programming languages, and many things are mentioned in this roadmap. You can view this in detail, and based on your project you can select the particular topics. And if you scroll it more, here you will find all the resources. First, it is projects. Here you can find some latest trending projects related to embedded systems. Again, if you scroll down, here you will find some courses and YouTube content related to embedded systems. Then if you scroll it more, then you will get other resources, learning resources, like what all topics you need to cover in electronics. You will get all the resources with links. Like here you can see basic calculus, principles of electric circuits, electronics fundamentals, digital design, computer architecture. Then you will also get the resources for test equipments like a multimeter, logic or protocol analyzer, oscilloscope. Then prototyping skills. Again, you will find some resources. And if you scroll it more, you will get resources related to FPGA development. Here you can find some resources. Then programming fundamentals. Then what all basics you need to learn, like algorithm and DSA, data structures and algorithm, design patterns, state machines, memory management. And in programming languages, you will find resources for C language, C++, and assembly language, Python, then Rust. And then comes microcontrollers. In microcontrollers you will find all the resources, what all topics you need to study in microcontroller, like GPIO, ADC, DAC, timers or counters, PWM, RTC, watchdog timer, interrupts, DMA, clock management, power management, bootloader, and many topics and resources you will get. Then comes protocols and communication technologies. Again, interfaces. Okay, you will find the resources for UART, I2C, SPI. For many protocols you will get the resources. Then wireless protocols, resources like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. Okay, and industrial protocols. I think automotive protocols also mentioned. Yeah, you will find the resources related to automotive protocols like CAN. Then if you scroll it down, again you will get some resources on memory technologies and file systems. And then comes hardware simulation. You will find some resources. Then sensors and actuators. You get some resources on these topics. Then digital signal processing. You get the all the resources related to DSP. Then MATLAB Simulink is also mentioned. Again, operating system. In operating system, you will get resources for all different types of operating system, like RTOS Basics, Free RTOS, Zephyr. Then you find many different operating system resources. Then embedded Linux resources. Okay, if you scroll it down, again you get some resources on debugging. Then comes build systems, how to make CMake file. So those resources you will find. Then software development lifecycle resources. Then version control systems, testing resources. Then you can see different types of testing methods are there. Okay, sill and hill testing resources. Then embedded security also is mentioned in this roadmap. So IoT is there. Again, embedded GUI is there. Edge AI is there. This is the latest topic. Right now it is very trending one. Then tiny ML resources, AutoSAR architecture. Okay, in this GitHub repo, you will find almost all topics related to embedded systems. If you need the link, comment below embedded. I will share the link with you. Well, you can also visit my blog, and at the end of this article, you will find this image GitHub, just click on this image, you will be directed to GitHub link. Okay, well, that's it. Thank you.